My name is Wase Devota. I am in primary 6 class. The motion of today is monogamy is better than polygamy, which is wrong 100%.
My name is Ishimwe Nore. I have come here to propose this motion, which states that monogamy is better than polygamy. It is correct 100% because of my following view.
I am here by names of Keza Brenda. I am in P5 class. I have come here to oppose this motion basing on the following views.
My name is Makuza Eric. I'm in primary 4 class. My first point.
My name is Rugro Derek. My class is P4. The motion of today is monogamy is better than polygamy. Is a wrong 100% because of the following points.
Good evening, everybody. How are you? Sit down. As we always say, or as we always do, today we have organized for you a debate between Indahigwa and Brilliant House. So we're having two houses competing together. The motion of today is monogamy is better than polygamy, whereby I can give a brief introduction about monogamy and polygamy as monogamy is a state whereby a man marries more than one. No, when a monogamy is a state whereby a man is having one wife, whereas polygamy is a state whereby a man marries more than one wife. So I can say that the main purpose of introducing this one is improve on English and the studying of the students of Indahigwa Brilliant Academy. So without wasting our time, let us welcome our chairperson to continue with the debate as she is welcoming the main speakers followed by the audiences. Thank you.
Good evening, parliamentarians. How are you? Sit down. I'm the chairperson of today's debate. My name is Mkawari Sajeni. I am in primary 6 class. The motion of today's debate is monogamy is better than polygamy, whereby you having two sides, proposer side and opposer side. Proposer side are supporting the motion, while opposer side are changing the motion. Proposer side, Honorable Keza, come and take your seat. Opposer side, Honorable Devota, come and take your seats. Opposer side, Honorable Honore, come and take your seat. Opposer side, Honorable Keza, come and take your seat. Opposer side, Honorable Makuza, stand up, come and take your seat. Opposer side, Honorable Obama, come and take your seat. The time allowed in this debate, many speakers, is 4 minutes. Audience is 2 minutes. Points allowed in this debate. Point of order ever allowed. Point of defense. Point of inquiry. Point of information. Point of supplement. Point of correction. Let us welcome our secretary.
Good evening once again. Sit down. I am here by names of Gisubizo Olivier. I will be acting as secretary of today's debate. Thank you.
Let us welcome our judge.
Good evening, parliamentarians. How are you?
We are fine, thank you, Judge.
Sit down.
Thank you, Judge.
My name is Mdenje Edwin. I'm in the primary 6th class. I will be acting as a judge of today's debate. Thank you.
Let us welcome our timekeeper.
Good evening, parliamentarians. How are you?
We are fine, thank you, timekeeper.
Thank you, sit down.
Thank you, timekeeper.
My name is Adire Samuel. I am in primary 5. I will be acting as timekeeper in this debate. Time allowed in this debate is many speakers 4 minutes. Audience 2 minutes. Thank you.
Proposal side, Honorable Keza, stand up for recognition. Opposer side, Honorable Devota, stand up for recognition. Proposer side, Honorable Honore, stand up for recognition. Opposer side, Honorable Brenda, stand up for recognition. Proposer side, Honorable Makuza, stand up for recognition. Opposer side, Honorable Obama, stand up for recognition. Let us start our debate. Proposer side, Honorable Keza, you are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge, Opposer side, Proposer side, plus the audience at large. I have come here to propose this motion, which states that monogamy is better than polygamy. Monogamy is a set where a man married with one wife. While polygamy is when a man married with more than one wife, which is correct 100% because of my following views. My first view, monogamy prevents greed among family members.
Point of inquiry through Madam Chair. Granted. Your Honor, what is the meaning of greed?
Greed means a person who don't want to give you anything. My second view, monogamy increases long-term planning for future life. My third point, monogamy increases wealth and development among family members.
Granted. Your Honor, what is development?
Development is when a person is improved. My third point, monogamy increases wealth and development among family members
because both work together to increase development. My first point, monogamy minimizes saving because they don't have many things to spend money on. My fifth point, if you have one wife, be easy if she can produce like 2 children, and be easy to buying for them food and paying for them school fees. Thank you, Chairperson, is what I had for you.
We have got something from Honorable Keza. Opposite side, Honorable Devota, you are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson. Secretary Judge, proposer side, opposer side, plus the audience at large. My name is Wase Devota. I am in primary 6 class. The motion of today is monogamy is better than polygamy, which is wrong 100%. Monogamy is a state where a man marries one wife, while polygamy is when a man marries more than one wife. My first view. In polygamy, a man has to eat balanced diet because he has to eat from different wives.
Granted.
You Honorable, what is define the term balanced diet?
Balanced diet is the diet which contains all food values in the body. My second point, polygamy also leads to the development because when a man marries more than one wife, they can produce children. Those children can work for the country. My third point, polygamy increases security among family members. This is done by both children and parents. My fourth point, polygamy increases food production in the family because work done by many people is greater than work done by few people.
Granted.
Honorable Devota, what is the meaning of food product?
Food production are food that people eat to get energy. My fifth point, when a man marries many wives, he has to get respect from parents and children. Thank you, Chairperson. That is what for you.
We have got something from Honorable Devota. Proposer side, Honorable Honore, you are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge, Timekeeper, opposer side, proposer side, plus the audience at large. My name is Shimwe. I have come here to propose this motion, which states that monogamy is better than polygamy. Is a correct 100% because of my following view. My first view, to have one wife, it increases peace and unity among family members. When I talk unity is where people are working together.
Granted. Honorable Honor, define the term family.
Family is a group of people where we find mother, father, and children. My second point, to have one wife, it increases security, and undivided love. When I talk security, is where a family or a country they have peace. My third point, to have one wife, it increases peace and unity among family members because they share resources equally.
Point of inquiry. Honorable, what are resources?
Resources are things that make a person to meet their needs. When I talk to resources, for example, and when there are two children, they share it equally. Thank you, Chairperson. Is that what I had for you?
You have got something from Honorable Honore. Opposite side, Honorable Keza, you are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge, Timekeeper, opposer side, proposer side, plus the audience. I am here by names of Keza Brenda. I am in P5 class. I have come here to oppose this motion basing on the following views. My first view. When you have more wives, you can produce many children, and that children help you in different business. For example,
Granted. You Honorable define the term business.
Point of defense, Madam Chair.
Granted.
Business is the work people do to get money.
thank you. My second point. When you have more wives, it promotes peace in the family. Because when one wife is not at home, another wife is there. My third point. When you have more wives and one wife died, you can remain with another. Thank you, Chairperson. Is that what I had for you?
Proposal side, Honorable Makuza, you are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge, proposer side, plus the audience at large. My name is Makuza Eric. I'm in primary 4 class. My first point is a provision of basic needs such as food, clothes, and shelter.
Point of inquiry.
Granted.
What are basic needs?
Basic needs are things people cannot live without. My second point. Monogamy promote equality. Monogamy.
Granted. You Honorable, what is the meaning of equality?
Equality is the state of having the same rights. My third point. If you have one wife, produce 2 children, and that children be in the well-being.
Denied. Not granted.
My first point. If you have one wife, to look for food is very easy than who have many wives. Thank you, Chairperson. Is that I had for you.
Opposite side, Honorable Obama, you are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge, Timekeeper, proposer side, opposer side, plus the audience at large. My name is Rugro Derek. My class is P4. The motion of today is monogamy is better than polygamy is a wrong 100% because of the following points. My first point, polygamy increase family members. When a man, my second point, when a man marry many wives, he gets respect from both wives and their children. My third point, polygamy promotes security in.
Granted.
You want to define the term security.
Security is the state of being, is the means being in agreement with another person. My third point, polygamy promotes security in the family. This is done by both children and their wives. Thank you, Chairperson. Is that what I had for you?
Proposer said the person who is willing can come and debate.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge, Timekeeper, proposer side, opposer side, plus the audience at large. My name is Gasore Dan. I am in primary 5 class. I have come here to propose this motion which states that monogamy is better than polygamy, which is correct 100% because of my following view. My first view, if you have one wife, it is easy to make budget. When I talk budget is the statement which shows income and expenditure.
Point of inquiry, so Madam Chair.
Granted.
Your Honorable, what is expenditure?
Expenditure is a things we buy money. My second point, if you have one wife, and it is easy to give them balanced diet. When I talk balanced diet, is a meal that contains all food in various amounts, in right amounts. My third point, if you have one wife, it promotes better standards of living of family members because they all get needs in life. Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge. Is that what I had for you?
Opposite side.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge, opposite side, proposer side, plus the audience at large. I have come here to oppose the motion which already states that monogamy is better than polygamy. Is wrong at 100%. My name is Gasana Bright. I have come here to oppose the motion which is basing on the following views. Polygamy fulfills God's request of producing and feeding the earth because many wives produce many children. My second point, children produced by many wives increases population census, population in an area. When I talk of
Honorable Bright, define the term population census.
Population census is the counting of number of people living in an area. My third point, if you have many wives, can take care of you. My fourth point.
You Honorable, how?
Because one wife, she can say that if I am not taking care for him, he can go to another. My fourth point. Thank you, Chairperson. This is what I had for you.
Proposal side. Who is willing? Proposal side. Who is willing?
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge, Timekeeper, Proposal side plus the audience. My name is Amwez Aris. I am in primary 6 class. I have come here to propose this motion which states that monogamy is better than polygamy. Is correct 100% because of my following view. My first point, monogamy helps the family to increase saving and child investment.
You Honorable, define the term saving.
Saving is the act of putting a man aside for future use.
Thank you for correcting me. My second point, monogamy minimizes conflict in family over properties.
Honorable Alice, defend the term conflict.
Granted. Granted.
Conflict is the practice of being able to identify handle conflicts.
Thank you. Thank you, Chairperson.
Opposer side. This is willing.
Thank you, Chairperson, Judge, Secretary, Proposal side, plus audience at large. My name is Niba Benjamin, and I have come here to oppose this motion, the motion which is basing on the following views. My first point, monogamy promotes friendship among children because of sharing one father. My second point, when you have many wives and that wives produce many children, those children can help you in many jobs. Thank you. My second point, when you have many wives and those wives produce many children, those children can help you in many jobs, for like digging, like when you have the gardens, they can dig that garden. Thank you, Chairperson, that I had for you.
Proposal side. Who is willing?
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Judge, Timekeeper, Opposer side, Proposal side, plus the audience at large. I have come here to oppose this motion which states that monogamy is better than polygamy. Is wrong 100% due to the following view. My first view, in polygamy, a man can enjoy balanced diet because he has to eat in different wives. My second point, when a man marries many wives, he has to get respect from both wives and children. Thank you, Chairperson. Is that what I had for you?
I thank everyone
participate in this debate. Let us welcome our secretary.
Good evening, parliamentarians. Thank you. Sit down. So I have managed to write some points of both houses. Let us start from Indahiga House. The voter has given out 5 points. Obama has given out 3 points, while Keza has given out 3 points. We back on brilliant sides. Keza has given out 5 points. Honore has given out 3 points, while Makuza has given 4 points. Thank you.
Let us welcome our judge.
Good evening once again. How are you? Sit down. According to what I have managed to write down from Brilliant Group, Honorable Keza, confidence 3 out of 5, steadiness 3 out of 5, smartness 4 out of 5, audibility 3 out of 5, total 13 out of 25 plus 5 point she spoken. Total 18 out of 25. First clap hands for her. Indahiga side. Honorable the voter. Confidence 3 out of 5. Steadiness 3 out of 5. Smartness 5 out of 5. Audibility 4 out of 5. Total 15 out of 25 plus 5 point she spoken, which is equal to 20 out of 25. Clap hands for her. Back to Brilliant Group. Honorable Honore. Confidence 3 out of 5. Steadiness 4 out of 5. Smartness 5 out of 5. Audibility 3 out of 5. Total 15 out of 25 plus 3 points he spoken. Total 18 out of 25. Clap hands for him. Indahiga Group. Honorable Obama. Confidence 5 out of 5. Steadiness 4 out of 5. Smartness 5 out of 5. Audibility 4 out of 5. Total 18 out of 25 plus 3 points he spoken. Total 21 out of 25. Clap hands for him. Brilliant side. Honorable Makuza. Confidence 1 out of 5. Steadiness 2 out of 5. Smartness 5 out of 5. Audibility 2 out of 5. Total 10 out of 25 plus 3 points he spoken. Total 13 out of 25. Clap hands for him. Back to Indahiga. Honorable, audience. Bright. Confidence 4 out of 5. Steadiness 3 out of 5. Smartness 4 out of 5. Audibility 3 out of 5. Total 14 out of 25 plus 3 points is spoken. Total 17 out of 25. Clap hands for him. Brilliant group. Audience, Danny. Confidence, 4 out of 5. Steadiness, 3 out of 5. Smartness, 5 out of 5. Audibility, 3 out of 5. Total, 15 out of 25. Plus 3 points he spoken. 18 out of 25. Clap hands for him. INDAHIGWA group. Audience, Benjamin. Confidence, 4 out of 5. Steadiness, 3 out of 5. Smartness, 4 out of 5. Smartness, 4 out of 5. Audibility, 4 out of 5. Total, 14 over 25. Plus 3 points he spoke. 17 out of 25. Clap hands for him. Back to Brilliant. Audience, Alice. Confidence, 3 out of 5. Steadiness, 4 out of 5. Smartness, 5 out of 5. Audibility, 3 out of 5. Total, 15 out of 25. Plus 3 points she spoken. Total 18 out of 25. Clap hands for him. So, according to what I have managed to write down, INDAHIGWA side total for all of them is 106. Clap hands for them. And the total for Brilliant is 85. Clap hands for them. I thank for all of those who participated. The winners of today's debate is INDAHIGWA side. Thank you.
I thank everybody who participated in this debate. Thank you. Let us stop from here.
So I really take this one once again to appreciate everybody who participated in today's debate. Brilliant side, INDAHIGWA side. For sure you have tried your level best to do something which is somehow productive. Thank you. So, it is a piece of advice to everybody who is getting us. This is what we call Dear HTV. You subscribe, comment after you share. For those who have not shared, subscribed and commented, it's your turn. Now, you keep on, you share, you subscribe, and you share to different groups and fellow members for the best of INDAHIGWA Brilliant Academy as we keep on supporting Rwandan children. Thank you.